Sup guys, it's Yixin. So today I'm going to IKEA to get these like shelves for my shoes. So yeah, let's go. We're here. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So I'm in IKEA now, and I'm embarrassed to vlog in public, so bear with me. Hey guys, welcome to my room. So, new room tour. Found it. 是 lac.
Lac
这颜色对不对？
是 lac
这颜色我要白的。
那还有啥呢？都一样的。
No, it's not. 我要白色的。Okay, so my dad left me because he's gonna go get a cart right now. But we found the white ones. They're actually literally like right next to all the other colors. He got one. Success. Okay, so we got it.
I kind of freak me out.
So it's been a few hours later and it's 11:33 right now. They're actually behind me. So they're like right there. I'm thinking of actually building them like right now because I'm bored and I kind of want to build this. So you guys are going to see me build this. What? I opened it. Look at the instructions. Look at this. Oh my god, that's so cute. Yes! Got it done. I'm kind of proud of myself. So basically what I was thinking is taking this shelf and putting it like here or something. Something here because I have stuff over there. This is what it's looking like. I don't really know. It kind of looks odd. I kind of want to buy LED lights and like put them behind here because there's like a little space here. I'm gonna do this one tomorrow. It's now the next day, but it's like at night. It's like 11 right now and I'm gonna build the other shelf. So basically, as you can see, I have this one done. I put like some of my shoes there. I'm also buying more shoes too, so. Full on freaking workout. I'm done. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Pretty proud, honestly. So that was it for today's vlog. Hope you guys liked. my IKEA building. See you guys in the next vlog. Peace.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet.